One. All right, guys, we've got the Metvol dog ramp. This is a great ramp if you've either got a small dog or an older dog and you still want them to be able to get up on the couch or on the bed. You can train them to climb up this. So all we do here is just pull that out and you put it in the spot that's going to allow them to get up the ramp. And we're going to make this lower for him. This will probably be good for him. So now we're going to get the puppy and see if we can get him to do it. All right, guys, we're going to see, stay there. We're going to see how easy it is to get your pup to come up these stairs. So he hasn't used these before, but I've got some high value treats. So let's see if we can get him up here. Come here, bub. Here, come here. Come on. Come on. Oh, good boy. So as you can see, you can definitely teach an old dog new tricks. He's 14, and he was able to learn that real fast. I think this is well worth it. This can work for a couch all the way up to probably a bed, and it allows your dog to have a little more independence.